for some reason, I've just been collecting guitars for years. And I played in the clubs, and we were gigging 3 nights, 4 nights a week, since Eddie Van Halen way back in the day, I talked to the wife. It's like, I'm going to take the free session. So I took the free session. And I was like, and this is awesome, because I truly love guitars, just like I love bicycles, just like I love surfboards, just like, all the cool dudes do. So one thing led to another, and I'm like, this is a nice course. Eric seems like a really solid guy. I says, well, man, if we're gonna do this, I'm gonna make a business out of it. It makes sense, and it's been wonderful. I feel like my life is rejuvenating. I feel like that there's a newness happening, and
Yeah.
I can help people. That's my goal. I love helping people.
Hmm.
And so I feel like super excited so I can help some folks. I had a phone call yesterday from a friend that just found out he's bringing me 2 guitars this week. I'm going
Nice.
to do a setup and try to help him figure out a fret buzz on his other one.
Cool.
So